Congo Rainforest, the green heart of Africa, and one of the planet's two lungs. Geographical location and features. Congo Rainforest, the green heart of Africa, and one of the planet's two lungs. Climate, situated around the equator. The region experiences a tropical rainforest climate, characterized by high temperatures and significant rainfall throughout the year. Water systems. The Congo River, the second largest river in the world by discharge, flows through this forest. The river's vast basin is crucial for the sustenance of this ecosystem. Unparalleled biodiversity. The Congo Rainforest is one of the most biodiverse places on Earth. It is home to many unique and threatened species. Mammals. It hosts the largest population of great apes, including gorillas, mountain gorilla and western lowland gorilla, chimpanzees, and bonobos. Furthermore, unique animals such as forest elephants and the Okapi, Okapia johnstoni, a rare species endemic only to the DRC, reside here. Flora. It is estimated that there are over 10,000 plant species, about 1/3 of which are endemic to this region. Particularly important are giant trees that provide valuable timber, such as mahogany and iroko. Various species of orchids and vines growing in the forest understory. Plants yielding kola nuts, which are important for the local community's economy and culture. Birds. The forest is home to over 1,000 bird species, with notable examples including the highly intelligent African gray parrot, hornbill species with unique beaks, various species of sunbirds, and turacos. Amphibians. Diverse amphibian species are found in the aquatic ecosystems of the Congo Basin, including the Goliath frog, Conrawa goliath, the largest frog species in the world, various brightly colored tropical tree frogs, indigenous tribal groups. The Congo Rainforest has been the home of various tribal groups for centuries. Their livelihoods and cultures are deeply intertwined with the forest. Pygmy people. Tribes such as the Mbuti and Aka are famous as hunters and gatherers with extensive knowledge of the forest. They maintain ancient traditions of sustainable management of rainforest resources. Traditional knowledge. These communities possess invaluable traditional knowledge about medicinal plants, animal behavior, and weather patterns within the forest. Environmental and global significance. The Congo Rainforest plays a crucial role in maintaining the planet's ecological balance. Deforestation and illegal logging, land clearing for agriculture, charcoal production, and illegal logging are the main causes of the rapid destruction of the forest. Illegal hunting, bushmeat trade. The wildlife trade, particularly hunting for bushmeat, poses a severe threat to the populations of gorillas, elephants, and other animals. Political instability, political conflicts, and economic hardship in some parts of the Congo Basin lead to over-exploitation of resources and hinder conservation efforts. Mineral extraction, the opening up of forest areas for the mining of minerals such as gold, coltan, and diamonds, damages the ecosystem. Conservation and the future. Protecting the Congo Rainforest is a global necessity. Successful conservation strategies require collaboration among governments, local communities, and international organizations. Community-based conservation, empowering local tribal communities to protect and sustainably manage forest resources is essential. Sustainable logging practices, ensuring that the legal timber industry adheres to environmental standards and preventing illegal logging. Alternative livelihoods, helping communities generate income through activities that do not lead to deforestation. International support, providing financial and technical assistance to the Congo Basin countries for their conservation efforts is vital. Conclusion. The Congo Rainforest is not just the green heart of Africa, but an essential global system that critically influences climate stability on Earth. Its unique biodiversity and carbon storage capacity make it a common heritage of humanity. Although the challenges facing the rainforest are severe, through sustainable management, the leadership of local communities, and a strong global commitment, this unparalleled natural resource can be protected for future generations. Saving the Congo forest means saving the future of the planet.